His Excellency, government officials, Ombudsman, we especially thank our beloved Tepesa brand.
Tsuneshi engages in shipbuilding, ship repair, and the production of cargo vessels. Samsung Electronic Mechanics Philippines Corporation representatives. Teletech, represented here tonight by Mr. Teletech specializes in call center operations. And now we proceed that generated the most number of jobs, held high regard for the welfare of its workers, and Tagagaki, President, located at the Luisita Industrial Park, San Miguel, Tarlac. International Wiring System empowers workers through its Union Management Council and operations. With facilities at the Laguna Technopark Incorporated and at the First Philippine Industrial Park Special Economic Zone in Laguna and Batangas, SunPower, located in Cavite Economic Zone, Rosario, Cavite, House Technology Industries ensures a healthy workplace environment, offers holistic programs that address the overall well-being of its employees. And now we proceed to the outstanding community project. Training programs, construction of school buildings, reliefs for natural Cebu Industrial Park, Special Economic Zone in Balambepel, Philippine Marine Special Economic Zone in Batangas, and is into oil rig construction, shipbuilding, repair, conversion, and leasing. Environmental management system complied with environmental regulations and fostered partnerships between the government and the industry in caring for the environment while simultaneously sustaining economic growth. With facilities at the Calman Ray Industrial Park, Special Economic Zone, Laguna, Fuji Electric manufactures electronic transistors and diodes, oxide, semiconductor, field effect transistors, bipolar transistors.
His Excellency, President Benigno S. Aquino III, President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening. Please sit down. Director General Lilia de Lima, such an institution, and it will come as to no surprise that our research, and only 22 months after I took my oath as president, I am honored to say that our faith in this idea has been validated. And this is part of the statistic breach, 25 highs. Thank you to each and everyone. Congratulations on all your achievements, and we wish you further success on this road we are traveling. Thank you and good night.
Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Thank you very much, Mr. President. We want to thank again our guest of honor, President